I got one more song for you guys, and again, it's awesome to see you here. I grew up in this town and played music, and a few years back, I reached out for Skip Mooney Jr. I don't know where he's at right now. Here he is. I'm recovering myself, and I'll tell you what, life's worth living these days, and drugs and alcohol just tore things up for me, and this is a great place to start and reach out for help. So be that person that someone may need for help. They've got someone like you to reach out to. This song's called Switchblade Live. Baby, just a little bit more in my hand. Baby, just a little bit more than I can stand. Baby, just a little bit is all that I need. Baby, just a little bit would cure this disease. Sometimes you gotta let it go and forget the pages that you wrote. Man, it feels funny that I don't feel high. I fought the devil with a switchblade knife, yeah. But he's waiting so far. How did I fall so far so fast? I hit the bottom with a big loud crash, and then I got a switchblade life. It's a man. Could have been the liquor that was still on my breath. Could have been the rest of it that scared me half to death. Could have been the prayers that were finally answered. Could have been the way it came as calm as cancer. Sometimes you gotta let it go and forget the pages that you wrote. Man, it feels funny that I don't feel high. I fought the devil with a switchblade knife, yeah. But he's waiting so far. How did I fall so far so fast? I hit the bottom with a big loud crash, and then I got a switchblade life, gentlemen. Sometimes you gotta let it go and forget the pages that you wrote. Man, it feels funny that I don't feel high. I fought the devil with a switchblade knife, yeah. But he's waited so far. How did I fall so far so fast? I hit the bottom with a big loud crash, and then I got a switchblade life. It's a man. Thank you guys so much.
Michael Lee Collins. Michael, that's awesome. Michael's got music in movies, on television. Really appreciate him being here today.